Hi friends, today I am making a special Ramadan Kanji. This comforting flavor packed dish is lovingly prepared during the holy month of Ramadan, specially to break the fast. It is warm, nourishing, and filled with beautiful spices and gentle aroma. This recipe is dedicated to all my Muslim friends around the world, and truly anyone can enjoy this delicious bowl of goodness. Food like this brings people together no matter where we come from. Let's cook this heartwarming dish together, step by step, and bring the beautiful flavors of Ramadan into our kitchen. Now look at our ingredients. Simple, humble, and full of blessing. Here I have 1.5 cups of jasmine rice. You can use any rice you have at home, but jasmine rice give a beautiful aroma and gentle flavor to this kanji. I also have 750 grams of chicken. You can use peas with bone. They add even more flavor to the broth. For the spice, we keep it warm and comforting. Garlic, salt, pepper, turmeric, and chili, and curry powder. Adjust the spice level to your taste. And for the fragrance, cinnamon, a few cardamom pods, and cloves. These whole spices gives such a peaceful aroma to the rice cooks. For the vegetables, use whatever you have. Today I am using tomatoes, carrot, onion, garlic, ginger, and piece of leek and little bit of oil. First we cook the rice. Place the rice into a bowl and add plenty of water. Don't worry about measuring too strictly. This is a savory rice porridge, so the rice needs to be soft and slightly overcooked. Add salt, mix gently, with the lid and let it cook. Check from time to time, stir and add more water if needed. The rice must be very soft. Once the rice fully cooked, I am using a stick blender, just lightly blending to break the grains into tiny pieces. Not too smooth, not creamy like soup. We still want small pieces of rice. That texture is important. Now the rice is ready. Let's prepare the chicken and vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add garlic and then onion. Let them soften and release their beautiful aroma. Now add the chicken. Saute gently until it brings to cook. Now add the spices chili, curry powder, turmeric, pepper, and salt. Mix well and cover with the lid. Let it cook slowly, stirring occasionally so spices don't stick. Once the chicken is cooked, add the vegetables. Mix everything together and cook until the vegetables become soft and tender. Now we bring everything together. Here is our rice, soft and porridge like, and now the most important ingredient, coconut milk. We need about 3 cups of coconut milk. This cannot be skipped. Coconut milk gives the kanji its richness, its comfort, its signature taste. Mix it gently into the rice. If your coconut milk is thick, add a little water to balance it. Now add the chicken and vegetable mixture into the rice. Stir slowly. Let everything cook together on the medium low heat. Allow it to gently boil until the coconut milk is fully cooked through. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. This kanji is nourishing, filling, and full of warmth. That's why it's so loved during the Ramadan. It's comfort the body after a long fast and gives strength for the night ahead. And now our Ramadan kanji is ready. Simple ingredients, deep flavor, a bowl of tradition and blessing. As you serve this to your family, may it bring warmth to your table, peace to your heart, and blessing to your home. Ramadan is not only about fasting, it is about gratitude, sharing, and caring for one another. And sometimes something as Simple as a bowl of kanji can bring everyone together. If you enjoy this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more home style cooking from my kitchen to yours. Thanks for watching.